Get some gas.
What are we doing today?
We're gonna go sliding, buddy.
Oh yeah?
Sliding. Yep. Now we got all three. We got the Taurus S197 in the trailer. Taurus bring out the G. SeatTimeStang is filled up, ready to go. 93. It'll be a fun day. I don't need no card, bro. I got my hand, dog. Look at that. Waiting for this to shatter. where it's like super muddy and dirty. Do a little bit of parallel back with me. Oh, there's a frog! Oh, snap! Hey, buddy, how'd you like your ride? Yeah, a little bit more. Oh my god. Sweet. Hey, it's all good. It's all good. Hell yeah. Oh, it's good. Come on, dude. We're good. We're good. A couple of fenders anyway. It's fine. It's fine. That's why we brought it here on trailer. It's fine. It can go home with the trailer. Yeah, you should have been in the car. Yeah, he's gonna hit it. Boom! Up the wall. I was like, oh shit. I don't know what. But it landed in my lowest from the column. There's shit flying everywhere. For real. Did everyone get that on video? Okay. Oh yeah, Avo definitely did. And Avo did too. Yeah, Avo and Brady. Yeah. It didn't hit the bumper or nothing. It was just you're going, and then you like turned it a little, it just goes boom, boom, up the wall, straight up the wall. Oh my god! Okay, I gotta go. Oh, I broke both the wheels. Yeah, yeah. Oh, god! Oh jeez. Crack the windshield more. Yeah, crack the windshield again. Went all the way to the top now. Yeah. Oh, that's it. Things got a little serious today.
Had a lot of firsts happen today.
Yeah, a lot of firsts. You know, a couple of wall taps, some real close tandems and such. It's fun. It was a good time. Well, most of it was fun.
It was a good time.
It was a great time.
It was fun.
It was expensive.
We have a few months of a break that we have to take. It's gonna get hot, and we've got to recoup some of our finances from the first part of this year and such. So we kind of went all in on this one, and maybe a little too far in, but you know, it happens. So but yeah, no, it was a sick day, whole bunch of fun. I mean,
I had a blast.
Oh, it was a blast.
I don't think I'd change anything about it.
No, I mean we all got to drive.
You got to learn the limits somehow.
Yeah.
So it's like it's part of it.
Yeah.
So we were no longer understeering and pushing through turns. We are spinning out or hitting walls.
Yep.
Or each other.
Or each other.
Or each other. So.
Yeah. Oh, we also got to drive each other's. Oh, I didn't get to drive Force's car.
Yeah.
Everybody got time in the SeatTimeStang. I got to drive Corey's Mustang and.
Yeah, cheat codes over there.
Dude, cheat codes. It was nuts. Like that's the wildest feeling I've ever had in my life. And I'm like, I'm used to driving this, where it's like, that thing's just wild.
Coilovers and angles. Coilovers and angles.
So.
But I tell you what, though, having driven all three cars here, I can confidently say that that thing deserves way more credit than it gets.
Sure.
Yeah. I mean, for a seat time car, it's fantastic.
It's hilarious.
And you got to drive it with the right tires on.
Yeah, no,
In the morning, the first 3 hours of the session, we had 245,
265, 35, yeah.
It just made it really unpredictable, and it's really hard to muscle it around. But when we put the 235s back on it, it dialed. It was perfect, send it everywhere. Had some overheating issues at the end of the day, but we'll figure that out. And
I say no issues out of these two cars today, and then All Reliable was a little less reliable. It had some overheating issues, but it's because the fan finally went out. It's wobbling, flopping around, making... I thought it was knocking at first. It's just the fan.
Well, what happened was I drove the car.
Forrest drove the car.
Yeah.
That's
for like 12 laps in a row, too.
Well, you were like,
he was like the only one going, so he was just go.
Well, it was like I figured the car out. I was like, oh, this is great. Yeah.
But it's perfect because like you did all that. Like he drove it for a little bit, then you drove it on the tires, and you drove it the rest of the day and whatnot, and those tires are still fine.
Oh, absolutely.
Like, and I mean, maybe a quarter tank of gas has been burned.
It's right over half.
Yeah. Okay. So like 7 gallons, 8 gallons of gas. Like nothing. It's perfect. But anyway, hope y'all enjoyed the video. It was fun to make. It was cool to do. And it'll be a few months before at least the next driving video. There might be some repair video coming in the future.
Say like, comment, and subscribe so I can afford to fix this.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. But other than that, man, we'll see y'all in the next one, and hopefully see y'all in the next one.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh yeah. For sure.
Maybe y'all. I mean, we'll see us in the next one. So like, maybe not y'all, but
Later.